Okay, today we're going to be talking about writing the equation of a line when you only are given 2 points. Okay, and the equation of my line, of course, is in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is label my 2 points, and the 2 points I'm given is 2, 3, and -1, -5. I'm going to label them, okay? And the next thing I'm going to do is find my slope, okay? So I have to use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, okay? So that is -5 minus 3 and over -1 minus 2. Okay, so this is -8 over -3, which simplifies to 8 over 3. Okay, so now I have my slope. The next thing I'm going to need is my y-intercept. To get the y-intercept, I would have to choose one of my points. It doesn't matter which one I choose, but I do want to make it easy on myself mathematically. So I'm going to choose 2, 3. Again, it doesn't matter which one I'm going to choose. Okay? So therefore, I'm going to begin to substitute into slope-intercept form. Okay? So my y is 3. My slope is 8/3. And x is 2. Now all I need to do is solve for b. So in order to do that, 8/3 times 2 is 16/3 plus b. Okay, here we are again. In order to get rid of the fraction, I need to multiply everything by the denominator. So my denominator here in this case is 3. That means I need to multiply each term by the denominator. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 16 over 3 is 16. 3 times b is 3b. Okay, so now I've gotten rid of the fractions, and I'm going to move this over here because I may run out of room. So now I need to solve for b by subtracting 16 from both sides. 9 minus 16 is -5 equals 3b. Divide both sides by 3. And b, or my y-intercept, is -5/3. Okay? So now, the equation of my line is, using the slope and the y-intercept, it is y equals 8/3 x minus 5/3. Okay? Now, my next example is 3, 5, and 5, 9. Okay? So here again, I'm going to start by labeling my points to help me better identify what my x and my y values are. And I'm going to start by finding the slope. So this is 9 minus 5 over 5 minus 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 over 2 simplifies to 2. Okay? So now, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. I need to choose a point. Again, I'm going to make it easier on myself, and it doesn't matter which one I choose. I can choose 3, 5 or 5, 9. I'm going to choose 3, 5. Okay? And then I'm going to substitute. Y is 5, 3 is x, and my slope is 2. Okay? So now, this is 5 equals 2 times 3 plus b. Now I have to solve for b, which is my y-intercept. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract 6 from both sides. My y-intercept is -1. Okay? Therefore, the equation of my line is y equals 2x minus 1. And if I choose to, if need be, I can put this into standard form by subtracting 2x from both sides. And in standard form, the equation of my line is negative 2x plus y equals negative 1. And remember, in standard form, we cannot have any fractions. Okay? The next example is 5, negative 13, and 2 and 1. Okay? I'm going to start again by labeling the points and finding my slope. So now, this will be 1 minus negative 13 and 2 minus 5. I have two negatives here that will equal a positive, so this is really 1 plus 13 over 2 minus 5. 1 plus 13 is 14. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Okay, can't reduce it any further, so that is now my slope. Alright, so here we are again. I need to choose choose one of the points. This time I'm going to choose 2, 1, and I'm going to substitute it into slope-intercept form. Okay, so now y is 1. M, or my slope, is negative 14 thirds. And x is 2. Alright, so now 14 thirds times 2 is negative 28 over 3. Here we are again. I need to get rid of this fraction. So therefore, I'm going to multiply all of my terms by the denominator, which is 3. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times negative 28 over 3 is negative 28. And 3 times b is 3b. Okay, I'm going to move this over here again so that I can have room, and I have to solve for b. Therefore, add 28 to both sides. This is 31 is equal to 3 times b. Divide both sides by 3. B is 31 over 3. This is my y-intercept. And the equation of my line in slope-intercept form, y equals negative 14 thirds x plus 31 over 3. Okay, let's do another example. So, my 2 points are negative 4, 10, and 6, 5. Again, I'm going to start by labeling the points and finding the slope. Okay, so this is going to be 10 minus 5 and negative 4 minus 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. Negative 4 minus 6 is a negative 10. When I simplify this, my slope is going to be negative 1/2. Okay, so now I'm going to move these points over here so that you'll be able to see them. Okay, again, this is my y, my x, and my other x. Okay, so now, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, and I'm going to have to choose a point. This time I'm going to choose negative 4, 10. Again, it does not matter which one. Therefore, I need to substitute. So this is going to be 10 is equal to negative 1/2 times 4 plus b. Okay, 10 is equal to Negative 1/2 times 4 is negative 2. Okay, I need to add 2 to both sides. B is, or my y-intercept is 12. Okay, the equation of my line is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 12. Okay, if I wanted to put this in standard form, I would need to add 1/2 x to both sides. This is going to be 1/2 x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, I cannot have any fractions, so here again I need to multiply all of the terms by 2. Then I will get my final answer. Okay, so now 2 times 1/2 is just x, 2 times y is 2, and 2 times 12 is 24. Now I have the equation of the line in standard form and in slope-intercept form, whichever one my answer requires me to do, and there are no fractions in standard form. Okay, so now practice these and see if you can get the equation of the line. Pause the video and do your examples. Okay, the answers are here. Thank you and have a great day.